when he said, hey, Your Honor, I want to file a motion to suppress the photo lineup, tell me why David Givens, the prosecutor at the time, said, oh, yeah, Your Honor, we haven't had a motion to suppress the photo lineup hearing. Let's have one. That was perjury because they had already had one back in June. Well, July is when they had the hearing. June is when he filed it, John Barnett. Anyways, David Gibbons is acting like they never had one. So tell me why Judge Pearson says, okay, let's have one. So my brother's attorney, Theodis Thompson, he says, okay, we want to suppress the photo lineup because she only used one photograph, and that's suggestive. So tell me why the judge says, denied. We're going to allow the photo. So they turned around and allowed the photo and went against the early ruling that Judge Pearson already had.
Damn.
So they let the photo lineup in and they let her get on the stand because without that photo lineup, she couldn't get on the stand and say nothing. You see what I'm saying?
She had to get it, yeah.
Because she didn't know his name until they showed her that one photograph. And that's highly suggestive. The Supreme Court don't agree with those tactics. See what I'm saying? So boom, check it out. So they let her come in and get on the stand and tell her lies that she was coached by David Gibbons. Little lies. She said, oh, he was there, this, that, and the other, whatever. Whatever she said, it don't matter at this point. But truth be told, that's how his court proceedings went. And then right before court, tell me why his attorney asked for compelled to motion discovery, and he was denied that. How you gonna deny a man his due process? Discovery is due process. The process can't go. Yes, the process can't go right without a discovery. How can you defend yourself if you don't know what they have against you?
Exactly.
That's the only way you can truly fight your case is if you know what the discovery is and what they have so you can plan a defense.